Welcome back. In this session, we will talk about the objectives and the topics that you will learn in Blazor WebAssembly during our journey in building the PlannerApp. So, let's check. This application gonna be full, I tried to add many things as much as I can just to make it cover a lot of things in Blazor, so you make sure after you finish this course you are able to build a much larger Blazor application. So you will learn the structure of getting started in a client-side application from scratch till you deploy the application. You will learn about authentication, client-side authentication using JSON Web Tokens or access tokens. You will learn about the components in Blazor in general, templated components, and how you can use already exists components or frameworks like Made Blazor to apply material design in your components, or Radzone, and there are many other frameworks that are available for us. Also, we'll take a look about navigation and routing to see how we can navigate from one page to another, or from one component, to another one. Layouts also. Data binding, how you can reflect data from your page model or your C# data objects into the UI, and vice versa, like reading from UI control or elements and move them to the code. Event handling, responding to the changes that happens to some elements on the document, like text changed or button click, whatever. Forms and validation, how you can read data from the user via forms, send it, submit it to the server, validated client side. Also, dependency injection, how you can create some services, like a service to talk to the API, add, insert, update plans from the API, inject it within the corresponding components about each process, something like this. Also, make HTTP requests to get data from the API or protected data, because we will send the access token in each request. Uploading files to the server, we should upload the cover photo of each plan we create or update. Another thing we will see is some nice or interesting Nuget packages that are available for us in Blazor that have been developed by individuals or some organizations that are very, very useful and increases your productivity during building your Blazor applications. At the end, we will learn how you can deploy your Blazor WebAssembly application to the cloud, to the Azure in this situation, but Blazor WebAssembly is a very specific type, it's fully client-side, so you can upload it in a serverless way, just static files. The same thing when you upload just an HTML and CSS files, so you can simply deploy in this way. We will talk about all the concepts, how we can deploy it in the correct way, what is the right decision, the best hosts, and whatever, in the last step of our project. So, to get started with Blazor, install Blazor, I will highly recommend you to watch the video in the description box below. I have made another playlist that teaches you how to get started with Blazor, install Blazor WebAssembly on your machine. Now, in the next video, we will start initializing the project to get started with our journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested, please hit the like and the subscribe button. Thank you, and see you again.